Hi, welcome to SimplyNAS Media. Today we're going to take a look at our two N5810PRO offers. This NAS is very versatile and can be used in so many different environments that we've had to create two offers for you. The first offer basically is a 20TB 5x4TB HGST NAS configuration. This is mainly for home and small business users. With the HGST NAS drives, they're very reliable drives. They come with a 3-year warranty and they do spin at 7200 RPM, unlike other NAS drives which are 59 and 5400 RPM. So you still get the performance to boot out of it. We did this configuration mainly because as a 5-bay NAS, this is probably one of the best in its class. Most normally 5-bay NASs, you don't really expect too much performance out of them because they are what they are. They're a 5-bay NAS. They're typically only meant for home and small environments, but the 5810PRO actually is a blazing fast unit. Because of that, there's so many different use cases that you can use this NAS in. So the first one, 20 terabytes for $15.90. It's really a price that cannot be matched in the industry at the moment. You typically cannot get a 20 terabyte configuration for under $1,600. So mainly this will be a great repository for Blu-ray movies, HD movies, even 4K movies, because of the ample space that you've got. Remember, Thecus does allow you to remotely access everything as well. So because of that, you do have the ability to check everything while you're remotely connected to the NAS as well. That's a big thing for us home users because we don't really want to spend on that cloud service when you're using this for a home case. That becomes far too expensive and it becomes a monthly bill for us. So rather than trying to avoid that when you're at home, you can have your own personal cloud per se. So because of that, this offer is absolutely amazing for home users. For $15.90 you get a 20 terabyte NAS, HGST NAS drives, which are probably the best in the industry in the NAS class. So because of that, that's definitely a good offer for home users. Even small businesses can get away with it. You can use this as a central file repository. You can also use it in terms of backing up audio PCs. We're using Windows backup. This does support Apple Time Machine as well. There is one other feature, but that applies mainly to both industries, so I'll speak about the second offer and then we'll go back to this other great feature that the N5810PRO gives you right out of the box. The second offer that we have is a 25 terabyte 5x5 terabyte configuration. This is for just under $1,900. It's great. We haven't broken the bank for you business people. You don't have to spend too much more than the home users do, but the main reason you're going for this is because of the enterprise class drives. Whilst the HGST NAS drives are absolutely fine, you will get away with them. Do bear in mind, enterprise drives do bring a boost in performance with them as well. This is great if you're going to use this for iSCSI storage on your VMware server. In general as well, just for your general file sharing, because generally in businesses and enterprise businesses, we have a lot more users logging onto the NAS. So because of that, the enterprise drives will be able to withstand that data load that's constantly being thrown at it. Home users typically, biggest families we get are 6 to 8 people, and they're never going to access them at the same time anyways. So for that reason, the enterprise drives are great for us enterprise users because we'll have about 15 to 20 people maybe at the same time throwing data onto the NAS. Again, it's great for you to back up everyone's PCs as well in the evening. You can also use this as archival storage, so it doesn't have to be your primary storage when you're using this in a business. We can use this to back up any data because it's a Linux-based box. You can back up anything that supports rsync straight to this NAS. That's a great feature for us because we can use this as a archival storage and have our storage alleviated from our main servers. Those are our offers. The other feature that I wanted to speak to about really applies to both. Being in Florida, we're used to this. It does happen in other places, California, Texas. We do get a lot of power cuts, unfortunately. Especially when it's in hurricane season, earthquake season. It's a very finicky time for us. The biggest problem with NASs are you really do want to put them on the UPS. However, UPSs can run expense. They don't always work the way you want them to. USB UPSs have a schedule on them. Sometimes they don't stay up as much as you can. So what Thecus have done is, let me do this. Let me bring you around to the back of the NAS. So we've got the back of the NAS here. On this side, if you notice, there's 2 screws here, but it's completely blank metal. So what it is Thecus have created a battery backup unit that goes natively inside the NAS. So this battery backup unit gives you not too much power because if you look at the size of it, it's never going to give you too much power. but about 10 to 20 minutes of battery backup, which is great for us to finish tasks quickly and shut down the NAS safely to make sure we've safeguarded the integrity of our data. This actually is not an optional accessory, it comes with the NAS. So whilst you're getting these two great offers, you're also getting the opportunity to have a battery backup built into your NAS. And if you buy it configured from us with those offers, we will install the battery backup for you, but only if you do say so that you want it installed in the customer notes. Some people don't like battery backup, so you won't install it by default. But if you do want it installed, absolutely we will install that into the NAS for you as well, so that way it's shipped as a full solution for you. That is our offers. I'll bring you around the front so you can actually see the NAS again. It is actually a very nice case compared to most other NASs. It's something you can sit in your living room as well if you want, and it won't look out of place. So it's a great NAS for that. Doesn't really matter for us business guys, because generally we're going to chuck it in a server room anyways, so nobody's really going to look at it. Then aside from that, that's our offers. If you want to discuss them, give us a call, 407-960-4690. Alternatively, you can email us at sales@simplynas.com. You can get to the offer directly on our homepage at simplynas.com. Right under the best in class banner is the Thecus offer banner. You'll see it because you'll see the 5810 Pro on the banner with the prices. Very big, very cheap, very emblazoned. You definitely can't miss it. If you do miss it, give us a call. We'll show you where it is. Again, our number, 407-960-4690. We do answer emails on the weekend as well. So being Friday that we're recording this, hopefully you'll see it shortly and it'll be the weekend. So you can send us an email, we'll be happy to help. Our sales team do check the email as often as they can on their weekend. Do bear in mind it's also their weekend as well, so we do want them to unwind and be ready to rock and roll on Monday again. That's our video. If you did enjoy the video, as always, hit the like button. We do like seeing it. If you have any criticism of the video, please do leave us a comment. Don't be mean, but do let us know if there's something we've done wrong on the video, something you'd like to see better on videos. We would love to hear from you guys. As always, subscribe to the channel as well, that way you get notified when we post videos like these offers. That way you don't miss out on any offers, because they don't always last very long. They are while stocks last, and stocks do generally move very fast when we do have an offer, as they are rare in the NAS industry. Aside from that, thank you very much for watching us today, and have a wonderful day.